space pa ba dito? Wait. Hello, where are you from? Hello. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines po. Johnny, hello. Rhoda Box, how are you po? Oh my god. United States. Oh, that's good. Purple. Panda, ayun yung Indigo. Ems. Are you single? Yeah. Yes po. Pibo. Why Brian? Join guapa. What's join? Ano yung join? Can we be friends? Of course. We can. Thank you, Exie. You don't want to team Exie. Panda! Just, kanina nagsasalita pa ako dito tapos wala ka. Panda, ikaw din. Hindi mo naman ako gusto kausap. Kinakausap kita tapos nawala ka. David, bakit? Roger, hello. Kiss, baby. Pinakiss niya ako, ano, just, second kiss. Panda, second kiss. No, Panda is a Canadian. Canadian kiss. Exy, totem na. Exy, totem na. Totem. Someone is Canadian kiss here, not French, not OC. Aranita, hello. How are you? It's Prince. It's just Canadian. Hi Araneta, how are you? Why you are 68 not 69? Hi, kiss me. It is a boys XC. I said boys. George, can you stand up so I can see your outfit? If you want me to stand up, then, ano, kiss me. No. It's nothing compared to Aussie kiss. Talaga? Here beside me, I changed it. Oh, really, Araneta? Talaga ba, Ero? Ay, talaga ba, Ero? Talaga ba, Jazz? Gato, hello. Yeah. O, diba, nawuwan siya. That's good. Dong, hello. Good choice, Exy. Hi, Lalu, how are you? Hi, Yel. Right? Am I right? Oh God, sorry. Nakapoy na ko, guys. More. Where's more? Anong more? Anong more? Idea lo. Happy guy. Prove me wrong. Ay, prove me wrong. Okay na sila ba? Hindi ano mo.
Okay pa ka?
Okay, ano mo?
Anong tawag yun? Ano si Jaya?
Aw. Okay pa man naguro. Michael. Harry, hello. Senja. Prove me wrong. It's wrong because he kissed me too. Kiss Angela Moore, send her kiss me gift. Marisol, gusto ko yarn. Zeus, hello. Hi, Michael, how are you? Gusto ko yung mga kiss-kiss. Kiss me in the morning. Yung parang kiss me in the morning. Magaling-galing ba? Mindset ba? Mindset. Oo nga. Kiss me in the night. Hold me, darling. Diba, Exy? Hold me in the night. Kiss me, hold me, darling. I thought you might. Hello! How are you, Timo? Why, Exy? Hi, May! Si Ublin ako eh. Manager ako dyan. Kaya maghanap ako ng host. Ah! Uy! Si Ate May ba to? Yung ano ni Kuya, no? Nabuang na nga man. Bagsit. Alam